The Infinix Note 100 Ultra 5G 2026 is shaping up to be an absolute powerhouse in the smartphone world, combining cutting-edge performance with next-level features. Its stunning 144Hz QHD plus OLED display promises ultra-smooth visuals and vibrant colors, making gaming, streaming, and multitasking feel effortlessly fluid. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor paired with 32 GB of RAM ensures blazing fast performance, whether you're tackling heavy apps, 3D games, or intense multitasking sessions. Storage won't be an issue either, thanks to a massive 1 TB of internal space. Photography enthusiasts will be amazed by the 400MP main camera, capable of capturing incredibly detailed shots with stunning clarity. Rounding out the package is a gigantic 8,500 mAh battery, which guarantees days of use on a single charge and supports prolonged gaming and media consumption without worry. Overall, the Infinix Note 100 Ultra 5G 2026 combines raw power, massive storage, and impressive display into one flagship-ready package that could rival even the most premium devices on the market.